Let this road trip begin. All right, this air going. Just mount it up. Do a little bit of talking while we rolling. Got the sunroof open just to get some of this hot air out of here. Hope everyone's having a great day. If you're not, it'll only get better from here. Because it all starts with your mentality, how you're thinking, and how you're perceiving what's happening to you each day. We're getting this road trip started. I'm going to stop by the ATM and grab cash. And then 86 miles to our destination. Everyone that does it themselves says this is the most stressful part.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I just want to say thank you for watching. God bless you all, and stay tuned for the next mod, because it's coming.